Okay, last time we took some rules. The main rule or the new rule this year, so if I have a power negative n, it is equal exactly. I didn't want the negative power to be up, so I will put it down by changing the places of the two numbers. So it will be 1 over a power n. Okay, for example, if I have a 3 power negative 4, it is equal to 1 over 3 power of 4. And vice versa, if I have 3 power negative or a power negative n, 1 over a power negative n, it will be equal a power of n. Okay, and if it is 1 over 3 power negative 4, I want to put this negative or to make this negative positive. So I will take it up and I will make it positive. So if I have here, for example, 3 power negative 4 over, for example, 2 power negative 3, both of them are negative. But I want this one to be positive and this one to be positive. So what I will do?
نبدلهم.
Yes, I will change them. لما نجيب دي تحت المفروض ان انا I will take this one up. طب this one also negative. طب I want to change it, so I want to put it up. So simply I will change both of them. So it will be 2 power 3 divide 3 power 4. We will take some exercise about this maybe next time, or this I will see according to the time. Okay. We started last time. If I have طبعا if the bases are equal, the powers will be equal, and if the powers are equal, the bases will be equal. So according to x, or the variable where, if the variable is up in the power, so I will see how to make the bases equal to get the value of this variable. If this variable is in the base, so I will see how to make the powers equal. For example, if I have 3 power x plus 2 equals 3 power of 5. Here already the bases are equal, so the powers must be equal. So in this case, x equal 3 to make them equal. Okay, if I make it a rational number, 5 over 7 power x plus 1 equals 5 over 7 power 3. The same, the bases are equal, both of them are rational numbers, so the powers will be equal. So x in this case equal 2. Also, if it is irrational, if it is root 2 power of x plus 2 equals root 2 power of 5, the bases are equal. However, the base is what? Maybe it is rational, maybe irrational, maybe a whole number. Any basis, as they are equal, the powers will be equal. So x plus 2 equal, in this case, 5. So x equal 3. Okay, but what about if the bases are not equal? How can I make them equal? Like 3 over 2 power x plus 3 equal 9 over 4. Here I want the value of x, and I looked at x, I found it is in the power, so I am searching for how I will make the bases equal. Here the base is 3 over 2, but here the base is 9 over 4. I will think how to make this one 3 over 2, or maybe 2 over 3, and then I will change the sign of the power. Can I make 9 over 4 to make it 3 over 2?
Divided 2?
Not divide, ما هو هعملها divide and then يعني I will change it وخليها 3 over 2 خلاص. ولا I will look at the number.
The square root?
Okay, طب if I make a square root, okay, a square root, if this one becomes equal, يعني here you have changed the rational. You have changed it, but this one, yes, it is equal to 3 over 2 power 1, right? But you have changed the number. يعني 3 over 2 doesn't equal 9 over 4. You put it under root, or you make divide by 2. I want to make it the same, يعني to keep 9 and to keep 4, but to write it in another way. But keep the question, keep 9 over 4. Couldn't you remember to do what? I put power 2, because both of them, when I say 3 power 2 equal 9, 2 power 2 equals to 4. So you didn't change the number. This one equal exactly that one. But instead of writing it 9 over 4, I remove 9 over 4 and write 3 over 2 all power 2. 3 power 2, 9. 2 power 2, we know that if I want to solve this one, I can distribute the power. 3 power 2, 9. 2 power 2, 4. So you didn't change the rational number or didn't change the fraction. You kept it as it is, but you change the form of the writing it. Okay? So I make it 3 over 2 power 2. Now the bases are equal, so the powers will be equal. So x plus 3 equals 2. So x equal negative 1, and so on. Another exercise like this one, 5 over 7 power x plus 3 equals 25 over 49. The bases are not equal. Can I change the form of writing this fraction to make it 5 over 7? Anyone can help me?
تبقى x equal negative 1.
Okay, power what يا هنا? I want to change this first. هتبقى 5
دي هتبقى power 2.
power 2. Why? Because if I distributed this one, 5 power 2 equal 25. 7 power 2 equals 49. So what you have done here, that you have changed the fraction you have to another form, but the same number, without changing the number. Okay? Is this clear? Okay. If it is 3 over 5 power x plus 1 equals 27 over 125. The base or the variable is up in the power, and the bases are not equal. I couldn't say x plus 1, this one as if it is power 1. I couldn't say x plus 1 equal 1. I couldn't say this rule, the power equal the power, unless the base equal the base. So the bases here are not equal. How to make the bases equal? I want to change. So I have to look at the numbers very well. 3 over 5 is 3. Could 3 change to be 27?
Power 3.
Power 3.
Power 3.
Yeah,
Power 3.
3 can be 27 when I make it 3 power 3. Double 5, could it be 125?
Power 3.
Also power 3. When I make 5 power 3 equal 125. So now if I combine these two powers, it is exactly when I write it 3 over 5 power 3. I can make the powers as they are equal. I can put it on the whole fraction, or I can distribute it like this one. So 3 over 5, and this one was 3 over 5 power x plus 1. The bases now are equal, so the powers are equal, so x equal 2. Very important to look at the numbers very well. The numbers, by the way, they are all are familiar. They will not give you مثلا a complicated number to get to. How I will get it, miss, I couldn't know. 27, 125, 49, 8, 2 power 3, maybe 32. 32, you must know it is 2 power 5. This is one of the familiar numbers. 2 power 5 equals 32. Okay, another example. If I want 3, if I take the same example, 3 power 5 over 5 power x plus 2, and I wrote this one 125 over 9. Sorry, over 27. 125 over 27. Okay, can you do anything to change this one to be similar?
Negative power.
Okay, so first, 125 5 power 3. Well, 27 3 power 3. اللي هي equal 5 over 3 all power 3. Right? They are the same, but something happened. They are the same, but there is something not exactly يعني 3 over 5 of course doesn't equal 5 over 3. But if I change the places of this one, they will be the same, right? Can I change it and leave it the same? Is 3 over 5 power 3, is it the same like 5 over 3 power 3? Are they equal? Are they equal in this case? Okay, and please try to
Yes.
answer me. This one, ya Jana, equal to this one?
No.
No. طب can I say 5 over 3 power 3 والله لا دي مش عجباني 5 over 3 because this one is 3 over 5. Okay, no problem. 3 over 5 power 3. There is a problem. I couldn't do this. So what I will do, I will change the places, yes, of the two numbers, but with changing the sign of the power. Yani 5 over 3 power 3, it is equal to 3 over 5. This is what I want, but not power 3 in this case, power of negative 3, because you have changed the places of the numbers. Okay, so if you found that this one can, this fraction can be the same like this one, but with the numerator is the denominator and the denominator is the numerator, you can change them to be the same, but with changing the sign of the power. Okay, and now when I make the equality of the powers, it will be x plus 2 equals negative 3, not positive 3. Okay, Sandy? Okay, Muhammad? Jana, Hannah? Okay, this lesson or this unit, the exercises are not all the same. Each exercise has a fixed idea or a different idea than the previous one. So we have to collect all the ideas, but they are all around the negative power and the positive power and how to change them, how to make equality of the basis or equality of the powers. Okay, for example, 3 power x minus 3 equals root 3 power x plus 5. As you see here, ده أو بلاش تبقى x plus 5 عشان ما تبقاش معاها equal power 5. ولا لا خليها x plus 5 the same. In order not to change to solve it. 3 power x minus 3 equal root 3 power x plus 5. X, I want the value of x. X is in the power. So I'm thinking about what? I'm thinking about the basis. I want to make the basis equal. Who can help me to make the base equal? How can I make 3 to be root 3 or root 3 to make it 3? See something I can do and I will make them equal. And you have to remember something, but I will leave you كده for a while. Maybe you'll get it. Think how to make 3 to be root or the root to be 3. Can't you get it? Do you remember when I say, for example, root 3 power of 2?
The opposite of the root?
Root 3 power of 2 equals what?
Equals 3.
3. And root 5 power of 2?
Equals 5.
And
The root, the 2 erases the root.
Yes, the 2 erases the root. This is simply what I will do here. Instead of writing 3, I can write what? Root 3 power of 2. And root 3 power of 2 equal exactly 3. So you didn't change the number. You only changed the form of the number to help me to make the basis equal. And here, instead of 3, I will write root 3 power of 2. Don't forget all power x minus 3 equal root 3 power x plus 5. Now, are the bases equal? Yes, but don't forget if I have مثلا a power n or power m, power and power, what I will do with the two powers? If I have two powers for the same number, if it is 2 power 3 all power 2, فاكرين last time قلنا I will do what? Multiply. So if I have a number power something all power another number, I multiply the two numbers. قلنا المرة اللي فاتت if it is times and the same base, I will add the power. And if it is division, I will subtract the power. So here I have a number, في power, and another power. So you have to multiply 2 times x و 2 times negative 3. So it will be 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 3, negative 6. So this power becomes 2x minus 6. With this one as it is, x plus 5. Again, you didn't change the number, you change its form. Because if you changed the number according to the other base, so you have changed the whole question. Okay? So I'm only thinking how to change the form of the base. That's it. The last, the previous one was the fraction. I make it power something, or I will change the places or whatever. Okay? But here, L3, I'm thinking L3, could it be root 3? Yes, but it's 3 doesn't equal root 3. But if I put root 3 power of 2, it is equal to 3. So I change its form. Okay? And this one, why it becomes 2x minus 6? Because if I have power and all the number power n, and it is all power m, for example, it means that a power n times m. This is exactly what I did here. I have root 3 power of 2 times x minus 3. يبقى 2 times x minus 3. So you have, if this binomial, I have to distribute the number out. 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Okay? Okay, Sandy, Hannah, Muhammad, Jana. Okay?
Yes, miss.
هو the rest are sleeping ولا ايه؟ يا ساندي. ساندي وهنا. It's okay with you? Something wrong طيب؟
Yes.
It's okay, Hannah?
Oh,
Okay. Anything you didn't understand?
no.
Okay, Sandy. Are you still with us, yeah, Sandy? Maybe she is doing something. Okay. Okay, 3 power x minus 2 equal 81. So the basis here, it is a number, it is easy, 3. But here it is 81. Can I make 81 to be 3 power something? To keep it, طبعا it's not familiar number, so you have to try. 3 power what? Of course it must be 3. Here there is no other idea. I want to make 81 3. So I have to try. طبعا I know that 3 power 2 equal 8, equal 9, and 3 power 3 equal 27. This is, I think, that what I can memorize very well. But starting from 3 power 4, I didn't know exactly the number, right? So I have to try starting from 3 power 4. 3 power 4. Okay, fortunately it is equal 81. So instead of 81, I will remove it to make it 3 power 4. I think now that is easy. Bases are equal. The powers will be equal. So x here equals what? X equal what? يا شباب. X minus 2
6.
equal 4.
6.
Yes, 6. انتوا بتناموا وتصحوا ولا ايه؟ فكرة by the way في on the calculator there is a button you can press it to know it is power what, but you must know the base. يعني you must put for him the base. يعني this one you want it, you must make it 3. Can it be 2 power something? No. So if you know the base and you know this number, you can, by this button, you can know this power. If you have your calculator, I can show it to you. Do you have them? Do you have your calculators with you? Yes or no? Jenna and Hannah, do you have your calculators?
Miss, right now, no.
No.
Okay, so maybe next time if you have them, I will show you this button. Okay, and let's take another example. Root in what is 32 power x minus 3 equal 8 power 2x plus 1. Think of this one till I مش عارف يوسف حازم is think to make the bases equal. Have you got it? طبعا ال 8 ال 32 as you know you cannot make it 8 power something, right? So I have here to change both bases. In both of them I want to make it power. يعني if you tried 8 power 1 طبعا 8 power 2 equals 64. Wow, 64. So 8 cannot 32 cannot be 8 power something. Okay, so here I have to think to do what? I have to think to make the bases something else. Who can think how to do it? Thinking about number what? ال 32. طب ال 8 can be what ال 8?
2
ال 8 can be 2 power what? I cannot say يا جنى 2. I can change the form of 8. ال 8 is 2 power what? 2 power 3. Yes. All power 2x plus 1. Now I have changed the 8 to be 2 power 3. As I make this base 2, so I must make this base also 2. لسه قايله لكم ال 32 it comes often in the exercises. So you must know that 32 دي 2 power 5. And also you can try it by calculator. طب I want base 2. طب 2 power 3 8. 2 power 4 you will find it is 16. طيب 2 power 5 yes it is 32. So instead of 32 I will write 2 power 5. All power x minus 3. Okay? Okay, is it clear? Okay, now I have power to another power to another power. So I have to multiply them. I have to multiply. As this one is binomial, I must multiply 5 by both of them. So it will be 2. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times negative 3, negative 15. Equal 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times 1, 3. Now the bases are equal, so the powers will be equal. Let's remember how to solve this equation. I have x here and x here. Here there is a number and here there is a number. I have to put x's with each other, or the variables with each other, and the numbers with each other. طبعا it is easier to take 5 here عشان ال x تطلع positive, and ال 3 to go there. ال 3 was positive, so it will go there with negative. 5x was positive, it will go there by negative. So 6x minus 5x. 6x minus 5x, x. Negative 13 minus 3, negative 18. So x equal here, negative 18. Okay? Okay. I'll take another one. في بقى some كده different exercises. 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3. And he is asking you this one equals to 4 power 3 or 4 power 4 or 4 power 12 or 4 power 81. Choices. How to solve this type of questions. You took it in grade 7. Okay, I have two ways here. Maybe as you see here, the number is what is repeated. The same number is repeated. Okay, the same number is repeated, right? It is the idea of multiplication. يعني كنا احنا صغيرين لما when I want to explain multiplication, I can say you if 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Hey, أولاد, what is the number which is repeated? 3. How many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I can write 3 times 4. Right? Do you remember? And if it is 5 plus 5 plus 5, what is the number which is repeated? The number is 5. How many times it is repeated? It is repeated 3 times. So instead of writing 5 plus 5 plus 5, I will say it is equal to 5 times 3. Here the same. في عندي number plus number plus number, the same number. Which number is repeated? 4 power 3. This is the number of which is repeated times. How many times it is repeated? How many times here?
4.
4. So instead of this one, it is 4 power 3 times 4. طب what is the difference? يا حبيبي ما هو هنا you will do what? You will make 4 power 3 plus يعني هتطلعوا كده 4 power 3 اللي هي equal 64 واعمل 64 plus 64 plus 64. No, it will be very large number. Then after getting this number اللي هو هيطلع 256, I will بقى 256 يا ترى 4 power what? يعني it is a very complicated يعني question. It's so easier than this to think about this like this. So 4 power 3 times 4, the bases are equal وبetween them multiplication. هعمل ايه في الباور؟ bases are equal, between them multiplication. What I will do with the power? Add, multiply, divide. What I will do when the bases are equal وبينهم multiply?
add the power.
Plus.
Add the power. So 3 وهنا في 1. Don't forget إن طالما مش مكتوب يبقى في 1 يبقى 4 power 4. يبقى this one equals to 4 power 4. طب do I have another way? Yes, you have another way. What is this way? This way is, as I have here common factor, I can take 4 power 3 common factor and then divide 4 power 3, divide 4 power 3, 1, plus 4 power 3, divide 4 power 3, 1, plus 4 power 3, divide 4 power 3, 1, plus 4 power 3, divide 4 power 3, 1.
يبقى 4.
فبقت 4 power 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. It is the same. Bases are equal. Between them multiply. So I will add the power. Okay, it is the same idea. Okay, okay. We still have 5 minutes. I will not make another one because today you are مش عارفة sleepy ولا you are tired. I don't know بصراحة. A very important question. 5x minus 5 power 0 equals 1. And he's asking me x belong to R difference a set of 5 or R difference a set of negative 5 or R or 5 a set of 5. Here I know that anything power of 0 equal 1 except what power 0? It doesn't equal power 1. في حاجة كانت math error. All the numbers
0.
أيوة, if 0 power 0, this is the only number which is not equal to 1. It is error. So what will make, if x is what, will make this one 0. And x can belong to any number, any real number, except one number. X couldn't be it. What is this number? What will make this bracket 0? If I put x5. لأن لو حطيت x5 بقت 5 minus 5 هتبقى equal 0. قلنا 0 power 0 doesn't equal 1. So any real number can help me or can be right except if x is 5. Okay, very important this part. يعني another exercise. If I told you x plus 3 power 0 equal 1, then x belong to what? Real number except what? Which number couldn't be, x couldn't be at here?
-3.
-3. Why? Because -3 plus 3 equals 0. 0 power 0 equals nothing or error. So any real number could be x except -3, except the additive inverse of the number you have. And if it is x minus 2 power 0 equals 1, what is the additive inverse of 2? Of -2, sorry. What is the additive inverse of -2?
2.
2. So x can be any real number except 2. If it is x plus 3, not 3, 8 power 0 equal 1. So x belong to R except what, ya Jana?
Except 2.
Here. I'm here.
Except -8.
-8. Okay. Let's see, I have here. Okay, Yusuf. If I have, Yusuf, x minus 1 power 0 equal 1, el x belong to real number except what, Yusuf?
-1.
ما هي لو حطينا -1 هتبقى -1 minus 1.
1.
أيوة except 1. Because -2 power 0 equal 1. I couldn't put it. You can try it على فكرة. يعني after you putting the number here, try it. But don't choose لا 1 لوحدها ولا real number لوحدها. لازم real number difference the additive inverse of this number. It is clear? خلاص ده meeting خلاص will finish in less than 1 minute. Next time we'll complete as you see كده unit 2 كله عبارة عن these exercises. يعني different exercises. You couldn't take a rule and follow it for all the examples you have. Okay, so next time inshallah we'll take we have still on Saturday and next Thursday inshallah, this is the last 2 online sessions. We'll complete solving exercises on this unit. Okay, thank you grade 8 and see you next time
Thank
inshallah.
you so much, Miss.
You are welcome.
Goodbye.
Bye.